If you're watching this right now, I want you to know something. This moment isn't random. You were meant to be here. I'm going to share something with you today that most people your age never hear. 4 truths. And the 4th truth, the one at the end, that's the one that matters most. Miss that, and you'll miss everything. So please, stay with me. Don't skip ahead. Every word connects. Before we start, I need to ask you something. What city are you watching from right now? Drop it in the comments, like this video, and subscribe this channel. I want to see where all of you are. Now, let's begin. There's something happening in the world right now. You feel it, don't you? The world you knew, the one that made sense, it's changing, and nobody's really talking about it. Here's the first truth I want to share with you. The systems you trusted your whole life, they're not built for you anymore. They're built for something else. Think about it. When did the world stop feeling human? When did everything become a screen? You go to the bank, there's no person anymore, just a machine. You call for help, you talk to a recording, you try to reach someone, anyone, and all you get is distance. This isn't progress. This is separation. And here's what nobody wants to say out loud. You've been moved to the side. Not because you don't matter, but because the system doesn't know how to measure what you carry. Those things, they're not profitable, they can't be automated, so they get ignored. But you know what? You're still here. And that means something. Let me ask you this. Do you feel like the world still sees you? Or do you feel invisible sometimes? Be honest with me. Drop a comment. Say I feel seen or I feel invisible. Let's be real about it. Because if you feel unseen, you're not alone. Millions of people your age feel the same way. And that's not an accident. But here's the thing. Just because they don't see you doesn't mean you're not important. It means they're looking in the wrong direction. I've spent my life in front of cameras, but the older I get, the more I realize something. The real story isn't on the screen. It's in the quiet moments. The moments when you're alone with your thoughts, when you're asking the big questions. Who am I? What matters? What's left? Those questions, they're the most important ones you'll ever ask. And the world doesn't want you asking them. Because when you start asking real questions, you stop accepting easy answers. So here's what I want you to do. Tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself one question.